Bless and love everybody. Have all of you seen this? So that's a man asking Daryl to apologize because he played a song at a rally. The song that says, from them upon a chichi man can give me the fire, make me burn them. Okay, give me some of my fire, make me burn them too. So Daryl can't say what I'm about to say, and I decided, I made a firm decision that I was not going to use expletives in my videos anymore. Because number one, my mother didn't raise me like that, and she doesn't like when I use expletives. And number two, I'm no brand ambassador, so I have to be very careful of how I speak. You understand what I'm saying? But on the other hand, and I'm also an ambassador for Ijamaki, which means that I have to represent myself. So let me just go ahead and say this now. For the person or persons who are requesting an apology from Mr. Daryl, you understand? And that's coming from the deepest part of my heart. Go suck your mother for real. You are all pieces of garbage, immoral pieces of shit. You contribute nothing to society but immorality and degradation, nothing else. And I don't care how educated you are, and I don't care what office you hold. I don't know when since all you swim around and your fishes want to turn this country into a big aquarium and everybody should just accept what you do. Have you forgotten where you are? Have you forgotten this is not America? If you want to live that life, you go somewhere where you're accepting. You understand what I say? We can't go in people's bedroom and tell people what to do, but at the end of the day, we are not going to accept every form of immorality that you push out to us in the public. You understand what I say? With everything of a little dirty nastiness to come out in the public with. What they do in the bedroom. Nobody don't care about what they do in the bedroom, but keep it there so. Nobody not apologize to you. Mr. Vaz, do not apologize to nobody. From them upon a chichiban can give me the fire, make me burn them. And yes, if you want to consider this, yes, it hate speech, it absolutely is, because be it every last one now. You understand? You nasty pieces of shit. I come talk about apologize for what? Ain't nobody apologizing to no. Fuck off. Nasty. Eh? Somebody for shame when back into subjection. When I come about. And as a matter of fact, if I was a killer, I'm come out and say, hey, listen, the killer song that when I play as a criminal for dead. I don't like you and apologize. I know what they do investigate me. And furthermore, they would probably arrest me. But me ask a question. Haven't I said this before? That homosexuality is illegal in Jamaica and is a crime that is punishable to up to 10 years in prison. So how them boy come out and talk about man for apologize for songs? You're a batty man. You're a homosexual. If you're a homosexual, you should be imprisoned to them. According to the law, you should be prosecuted and imprisoned. I confess to a crime, and I confess to your sex, man, which is a crime in Jamaica. So how now run so free? Eh? If one boy come out and say, yo, the raper song that we're not singing out about raper for dead, I don't like, apologize, because me a raper. What police do to him? If that thief come out and say, I don't like them song not about thief for dead, apologize to me. Police are going to pursue him. So why are these batty men so untouchable? What's so special about them? What's so special about a man? What's so special? I not get it, Me really not get it. Me really not get it. You know how much people in Jamaica, the government want an apology? Eh? And then I apologize to them for better reason than this. Eh? Right now, the government of Jamaica owe every motorist an apology for the bad way them we are fucking every minute. Eh? And then you nobody say, boy, I apologize to it. But when you feel like you don't have too much power, you do not have no power, no dominion over nobody. No make it devil chick on you, yeah? Don't make the devil chick on you feel like say you don't have some power and some authority or nothing. You don't have no authority or nothing, not just some batty fuckers. That's it. That is it, full stop. Nothing more than they did to it. You understand what I deal with? And that means nobody not apologize to no half. We don't nasty, dirty life, go one side, bumble. You understand that? That pass don't apologize to nobody. I'm neither PNP nor JP, so nobody feel like I know a political party side, but they're on the side of immorality. Go on in your room and go do what you want, and nobody not give a fuck you. Literally, we don't give that. Nobody not apologize. Move your tank, nobody not apologize to you. We're not giving no apology. No apology, like what Sizzla said. None. And if you go one side, when you want to turn Jamaica and this big aquarium, oh, I'm gay, I have sex with other men, you should accept me. I kissed other men and stuff, you should accept. Fuck that lad. When your parents shame you, your parents is ashamed of you. Your family is ashamed of you. No matter how good they talk to you, they shame of you. You're an embarrassment to your head. All I know embarrassment to the entire family. Every single last one of lad. Not to mention you are criminals. You are criminal. If a man a thief and he not get catch and prosecuted, it doesn't mean that he's not a criminal. It means that he just not get catched. If you not get catch, you're still a criminal. And not only that you're a criminal, you're a fugitive. You're hide on a sex man and hide it. Eh? You're a fugitive man, you're a criminal. These people are criminals, Homosexuality illegal in Jamaica in a booger is punishable by up to 10 years in prison. And then my boy, I come up, man, if you apologize to them because them are for moving up clat and go. And when since Jamaica when since everybody as a matter of fact becomes afraid of them people there. Eh? When you talk about everybody else, when you talk say rapists to that, that for do that, bomba clat and go to. Go one side, bomba hole. Nobody now apologize to them. After man decides that them are going to stop curse battle and be decent. The decent little guy that my mom raised. When you come clout Joe man and come talk about no one apology for sexing man. Eh? And your conscience a beater. You know why you want apology because you know say you do something wrong. And because you know say you do something wrong when your conscience a beat on you. And your conscience that attack. When your conscience a beat on the left, right and center. When you can't content to do what you do. Because you know say wrong. When you know say it wrong. That's why. When I talk about apology, move!